Hi everybody, today I will show you how to insert an image in Google Sheets. Let's begin. So, there's actually 3 ways to do this. I will show you all of them. Let's start with the drawing method because this one gives you the most control. So, open your Google Sheets, go to the insert option at the top, and from these options, simply choose drawing. Once you click drawing, it will open up this tab. So, once the drawing canvas opens, click the image icon at the right. Now, search for your image or upload one from the computer. If you want to upload from your computer, click on browse option here and simply choose the image that you want to upload. For example, I will upload this image that I generated. I will click open. Now, the image is just right here. But here's what makes this method special. You can resize it, rotate it, crop it, and even add border to it just by using these tools at the top. You can crop it if you want, you can rotate it, click save and close, and that image will be instantly added. As you can see, the image is just right here. Now, I can move this freely anywhere I want. I can select this, resize it, and paste it anywhere. Now, the second method is inserting an image directly inside cell. For that, you'll have to simply select the cell where you want to insert the image, then head over to insert and choose image. Now, click insert image in cell. From here, you can upload an image from your computer, your webcam, link, photos, Google Drive, or Google Images. For this example, I will click Google Images and search for images for shoes. Now, I can simply choose any image that I want from Google and click insert, and that image will be instantly added to this cell. Now, the image sits inside that cell, and if you want it bigger, just select more cells along with the one in the image and simply merge them by clicking format option at the top and choose merge cells and merge all, and that image will instantly be resized. Now, the third method is insert over cells. The same menu, just select any cell, click on insert, click image and choose insert image over cells. Now, you can simply upload from your PC or choose Google Images. After that, simply select the image that you want to upload, and this one drops the image on the top of the spreadsheet as a floating element. So it's not tied to any specific cell. You can drag it anywhere, resize it freely, but unlike the drawing method, you won't get any rotation or editing options. So that's how you insert an image in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.